Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to Bomb Site. Oh, sorry, my kitchen. Yep, and it is 11:02 p.m. at night. I had to wait until my son was in bed and my daughter was playing a game on a computer, and then I got hubby a drink and a snack, and I said, right, you stay in the office and no one come in because I'm recording cleaning the kitchen. So yeah, some nights I can't start recording till late because people just walk in and out, and I'm sure they do it just because then they know that I'll edit them out. So yeah. Yes, it took me a little while to start cleaning because, you know, you got to get the music, and then my headphones wouldn't sync, and that's important to be entertained. So I had a little bit of a dance party as per normal, just to really hype myself up. I move so fast that you can't really see what's going on, but still, it's the fun, isn't it? Let me know, those people that really like to watch cleaning videos, this whole clean from now, from the evening, and then there's a bit at the end where tomorrow I put away the clean dishes that you'll see. The whole thing was 47 minutes. That's in real time, not sped up, anything, just as you go. Some people say they really, really love a long cleaning video because they clean along with me. Some people say they like it all in one room, like the kitchen. Some people say they like bits of everything, which is not how I clean. So, yeah, I don't know. But let me know what you prefer. Some people really say they like the fast ones and they like a video under 5 minutes. I'm like, I'm good. I'm not that good. Even sped up this, I think it would just look a little bit silly, but some people say they enjoy watching me run around super fast, and others, yeah. All right, I'll be back in a minute. You see me keep walking backwards and forwards. I am putting some things away, but also I keep checking down the corridor because my daughter is actually in having a shower right now, which I forgot that's what she was doing at the start. So it's really hard to turn the tap on because it affects the shower. So I kept watching the panel that's just up there on the top left hand corner to see when it stops flashing, I know it means she stopped the shower, but sometimes it still flashes for sort of a minute or so afterwards as it's resetting itself. So I keep walking back to the door and then pushing off my headphones of one ear to sort of have a listen to the sound to see if she's finished, because I desperately wanted a second load of water to do the next load of dishes. So finally she finished having a shower and I was able to watch them, because it was like, I'm so close to the end, but my water is absolutely disgusting and I need fresh water. So hurry, because I want to get this done before bed. Otherwise, I know I'll look at it tomorrow morning and I just won't be motivated at all. Oh, here's me doing my best Tom Cruise cocktail impersonation. I got the hippie shake. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, 10 points to you. So just rinsing out her drink bottle. My daughter started cleaning out her room because we've had to move a few things around. So there's a few random dishes and other things that came out of rooms. Let me know if you have a teenager that hoards things in their room. You're kind of going, why do I only have 3 plates here and 4 forks? Where are they all? And then, oh, that's where they are. Mine are pretty good. They usually do come back to the kitchen, but just, yeah, there's just the random things every now and again. They'll go, I need this washed, and I'll be like, okay. So it's next day and it literally is like 12 hours later that I was last here. And yes, I'm listening to the last audiobook, The Work Wives. It's so good. I've only got like an hour left, so I'm pushing to clean and cook and do all bits and pieces so I can finish listening to it, because I have a list of audiobooks like a mile long that I want to get through. So I'm really back into listening to audiobooks at the moment. So putting away all the dishes that were dry from last night, and then partly emptied the dishwasher as well. I don't do a finish pan around the room because I completely forgot. And also today I was doing a whole lot of meal prep videos. So stay tuned for that, because I'm actually really happy with all the things I've been able to accomplish today, and recorded it all for a separate video for you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for being here. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.